This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Sinead and Emma Sale. Come make interior selection while under construction. Welcome to Anglia Homes Chester floor plan. This gorgeous home is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 baths with a game room. This floor plan is sure to be a pleaser. As you enter, you will be greeted by a formal living and dining room combo. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops and beautiful cabinetry and opens up to the breakfast area and family room. The master retreat is spacious with an ensuite and a large walk-in closet. All secondary bedrooms are upstairs along with a spacious game room that's ready for fun. Call me today to make this home yours before it's completed. For more information, review the details below.